Looking for loads of space for everyone? This floor plan has got you covered. This expansive home boasts 4 bedrooms, with 3 conveniently downstairs, including the owner's suite, and a tucked-away retreat upstairs. Easy living with 3 full baths. Laundry room downstairs. The kitchen has a sleek white design with stainless steel appliances, fridges included, granite island, and gas range for those who love to cook. But wait, there's more, a large bonus room plus an additional media room for whatever you fancy. Kick back on the charming covered porch and take in those stunning Nolensville sunsets. The lot is adorned with flowering trees, creating a cozy vibe. Park your ride in the 2-car garage. And the neighborhood is just what you're looking for. With pools, a playground, and walking trails. It's conveniently close to grocery stores, restaurants, and more.